What's up, everybody? I do not have my microphone today. We're just doing this. We're improvising it today. I've got the pesos. I've got the pesos. Guess where we're going? All right. We are planning a trip because it's about to happen. So we're going to use my little sailor's knife as a pointer. We're going to use this to point. I don't know how good you can see this stuff, but let's get to it. Alright, as you can see, this way's north. This is the east coast of Florida, and this is the Gulf of Mexico. Here is Tampa Bay. Our boat is right there. And we're going to come out. We're going to run about, what would you say, about 5 miles tops?
Yeah, we said where you're going to go.
5 miles, right here.
Yeah.
No, we're going to have to go out further than that, or is that in fathoms? Oh, it's in fathoms, so yeah, we can make it right here. Then we're going to shoot north. North, and I think it is here. Nope, it's right here. So we're going to come out this way. Shoot north. I lost it, there it is, right here. To John's Pass. So yeah, let's zoom in on this. Well, first let's start here. Alright, this is the zoom in right here. We are right here. Yeah, we're a little further past it, but we ain't got the page. We'll have to make sure to follow that channel. This is in feet. Might shoot up. Yeah, we're going to come out at least past that point to this one buoy and shoot straight north and get in that channel. It's called Egmont Channel. Keep it between the buoys, man. That's what Buffett says. Follow it all the way out. Didn't we determine that's the 3 mile mark?
Yes.
Okay. So then we're going to shoot north. Straight up. And there's that line that matches that buoy.
And you're going to.
Yeah, then we're going to shoot straight east here. The bridge opens on demand. I think it's channel 19. No, 13. No, it's channel 9. The bridges in Florida are channel 9 on the VHF. So we're going to cut through there, hit John's Pass. I think there's a page here. What's the page? Because we got to go right here. This is where we're docking at, right here. So we're going to come in off the Gulf through here.
Page 17.
17? Okay, we'll go to page 17. So I'm going to try to zoom in right here, because this is what we got to worry about. The part that I'm worried about are these little islands. I'll see if I can find a screenshot to post on what that looks like. Usually it's the sandbar where everybody goes to party and stuff, so we gotta remember to go on the left side of all those little islands.
Yeah. I don't want to run aground.
No, running aground is not fun. But yeah, there's the marina right there. We're literally, gosh, I'd say a couple hundred yards from the Gulf of Mexico.
Yeah.
Right off of Treasure Island. But yeah, that's our trip we're taking. Here pretty soon we'll have footage of taking this trip. But we ain't gonna get no service out here in the Gulf or anything, so we'll have to wait till we get to the dock to get internet to post another video. So thanks for watching. Stay salty, my friends.